The Konkani community is one of India's most educated and culturally rich groups, with roots tracing back to the Saraswati River. Over centuries, the community migrated to Goa and today thrives along India's west coast, in Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, and Maharashtra. The Konkani language is known for its rich heritage and expressive depth. While the influence of English has grown across Indian languages since colonial times, the Konkani community has always valued its mother tongue and continues to preserve its traditions with pride. Proverbs, a vital part of Konkani expression, capture the wisdom, humor, and everyday philosophy of the people. To safeguard this cultural treasure, the Konkani Proverbs Digitization Project was launched, a modern effort to preserve age-old wisdom through technology. The project, inspired by Shri K. N. Kini's collection of Konkani proverbs, was completed in record time by a passionate group of young Konkani speakers, using AI tools and prompt engineering techniques. The proverbs were digitized in Konkani, Hindi, and English, ensuring accessibility for future generations. The people behind the Konkani Proverbs Digitization Project. Guide and author of this work, Shri K. N. Kini, author of the Konkani Proverbs text. Inspiration behind this work, Shri G. G. Shenoy, Shri Vinayak D. Kamath. Lead for the project, Sridhar Pai Tanse. Contributor to this project, Vinya Vishnumurthy Nayak, Namitha Kamath. This is a humble tribute to the enduring spirit of the Konkani language.